Okay, so here we have my bird cage. This is the bottom of the cage, and this was once a toy that was all put together. I found it on the floor. I proceeded to put it up inside of this cup. As you can see, the remnants of it, and walked away maybe a half an hour ago, and now this is where it is, all on the floor, and this is the culprit. Yes, it's Snuckerz. You see the guilty look all over her face? This is where she likes to just hang out and sleep, and apparently I pissed her off. Right? Did I piss you off? So within a half an hour's time, this full cup of toys is now this. What do you have to say for yourself, bad girl?